Alright, so everyone seems to keep asking about, like, the subtitles I use in games, or rather, Team Fortress 2 and all that. I'm gonna make this simpler for you. I'm gonna show you where to find this. So first, you just wanna go to my channel. I'm pretty sure I spelled it wrong. Or rather, you're just gonna go to any one of my videos that there is. Then go on the video. And in the video, you're gonna see a bunch of links here. You're gonna wanna go to the one that says gaming site. That will take you to the site that I've had like for a long time here. You just want to go to the mods I use, and then here it is, everything that I've used in the game. They may not be used now, but they may have been used before. So for example, you want the captions that I use in the game, here go, you just go to this link that says subtitles, and then take you to this website, then you're just gonna hit the download, and then that's all it's gonna be. Just a manual download, and then you'll get it right here. Alright? There.